One of the most frequently asked questions by our existing clients is, how do I evaluate my portfolio? Basically, what they are asking is, there are some funds in the portfolio which are not performing at par with the top performing funds. So, what should they do about it?
Yes, you're right. I think this is the most frequently asked question. I think you should know the objective of why you're doing an exercise, right? So the why would one want to evaluate a portfolio? The general reason why I've seen is the client decide, it's a very generic kind of a reason, right? Okay, I have looked at these five funds are in my portfolio. This fund seems to be performing the best. The others are okay, and this last one is not performing as well as the others, right? So should I redeem this fund? That is the underlying question behind the main question of how do I evaluate my portfolio, right? And the answer is not simple, right? It's not clear because the easiest thing to do is look at the past returns, right? That even if I give that exercise to my daughter who's in grade 9, she'll be able to find out in 1 minute out of the five funds, if I'm looking at the returns, which one is performing the best, which is not performing well, right? But what kind of insight does that throw at you? So what decision would you make based on that? So the ideal way of evaluating a portfolio is you evaluate it at the entire portfolio level, right? Because there are multiple categories of funds within your portfolio. It could be on the basis of the asset class, like is it debt, is it equity, is it gold, right? It could within each category there could be further subdivisions, right? For example, in equity, there's large cap, there's multi cap, there's mid cap, there's small cap, there's value cap, right? It wouldn't make sense at all to compare fund A if it's a large cap fund with fund B, which is a mid cap fund. Totally different, uh, totally different performance characteristics over a period of time, depends on a lot of things and their fundamental attributes. Or worse, compare fund A, which is a large cap equity fund, with a debt fund, a short duration debt fund. That's like comparing probably a fruit with a vegetable, not even two fruits, right? So it's different category. So just based on the metric of how they are performing, uh, is not a good analysis, or I would say it's not a helpful analysis to arrive at an informed decision of what to do with your portfolio, because you're evaluating your portfolio to come to a decision is what I'm thinking of, right? So to give you an analogy, right? So you are driving a car and you have accelerator, you have the brakes, you have the clutch, and you are heading on a freeway, expressway, where you can drive at 120 kilometers per hour. Yes, now your car, the portfolio, needs the accelerators, which is, if I were to compare it with the market asset, would be equity funds, right? But now, after the expressway ends and you approach a ghat section, now you need more of your brakes, right? You need an accelerator also, but you need the brakes more, right? So the brakes or the debt funds are a better uh, is a better fund to have in the portfolio, or more exposure to the debt funds, right? So there is a balance that has to be struck based on the market conditions at the time when you are evaluating your portfolio, right? And that is best left to an expert, right? That you cannot get the insight based on reading Economic Times and one-off blogs or a WhatsApp forward, right? It's the job of an expert. And if the clients have that expertise, that inclination, interest, and the time they are putting, they should look into that. Otherwise, it's best left to an expert, because they'll never know that which fund is the best suited for that particular kind of situation, right? So evaluating a portfolio uh, is is a difficult job, best left to experts. uh, yes, what we encourage our clients to do is keep asking the questions, right? In these kind of situations when the market changes and all, or what needs to be done, basically that is a much more useful question.